Hello fellow traders, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Today is Monday, May 20th, and while I've made many videos that talk about where the market is going to trade, which is of course the most important piece of information that any trader would want to have, and I always talk about the tailored trading zone and the previous day's close, which you see indicated on my chart here, Monday, May 20th, and prices traded within those parameters. But today I want to talk about something more mundane, and that is futures expiration and roll dates. Now, expiration and roll dates is a difficult concept to grasp for most newbie traders. In fact, almost all newbie traders. Now, let me get into it a little bit. I'm going to go over to the CME website, and I'm going to, and this is the calendar of futures, roll, and expiration dates. Now, futures are traded in 4 contracts throughout the given year. And those contracts are March, June, September, and December. And they're designated with the letters H, M, U, and Z. And for example, let me start with March 2025. The March contract is ESH25. The June contract will be ESM25. September, ESU25. And December, ESZ25. So contracts are traded in 4 different segments throughout the year. And as each contract rolls and expires, the next contract begins. And so it's a little bit confusing, but where do we take our price movement from one contract to another? Well, that's a little bit difficult, but basically you want to move your contract, your trade chart over on the roll date of the contract that's expiring. To make things easier, I want to go back to my chart, and here is ESM24. Now this is the June 2024 contract that we're trading, June 2024, okay? See, here's the designation, E-mini S&P 500 futures, June 2024. Okay, so if you are going to be a little bit confused about when contracts are due to roll and expire, I have a suggestion for you. Instead of tracking the actual roll and expiration dates of contracts and switching your charts, there's another way that you can track the futures without having to change between one roll date and the other contract, one expiration date and the next contract beginning. And that is this symbol right over here, ES1. ES1, exclamation point. ES1, and that is the continuous contract. The continuous contract, if you chart the continuous contract, you never have to switch your contract from one month to another when the contract rolls and expires. And for instance, here is ESM 2024, which is the contract that you see on my screen, and you'll note the price at the last close, 53.3150. And ES1, the continuous contract, is also 53.3150. Instead of trading this contract and then switching to the September ESU contract, what you can do is trade the ES1 contract, and you'll find that when the June contract is going to expire, what's going to happen is that the June contract and the continuous contract are going to start departing numbers numerically, because the June contract is going to fall off and the continuous contract, the ES1 contract, is going to start picking up the new contract, the September contract. So instead of having to switch your contracts over, your charts over 4 times a year, you can just trade the ES1 and never have to change contracts. So that's my video for today. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safe, use lots of patience. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.